So here I am sitting in my garage, flying around my little complex with the analog camera first, Eachine goggles, and some dual axii antennas. Not too bad. But I always get breakup with these mailboxes. Just not quite this bad, but pretty bad. So I don't fly here very often. So I figured I would try out the Shark Byte stuff here today just to see penetration I'm going to get sitting in my garage trying to shoot RF through all these walls and everything. So it didn't work too good with the analog. So here we go with the Shark Byte system. Same thing, 200 milliwatts, but I'm using some Fat Shark goggles with the Shark Byte system attached to it. And I've already made it out to the street with hardly any breakup. Nice clear picture. And here I go. Not looking too bad. I think, why should I? Hey, what the heck? I have never made it out to the street before with analog, even though I'm like 400 milliwatts. So this was an eye opener for me.